thing I'm wondering is if the Wi-Fi is of quality. Did you try their Wi-Fi here? It wasn't working?
Last year I did. I
Okay.
can't, but I don't remember.
Because it says I'm getting green.
And you're green on it. Well, I'll leave the hotspot on, so.
All right, welcome folks to tonight's matchup against the Highland Park Central St. Paul Scots and the St. Paul Academy Spartans. We are at Drake Arena tonight for this matchup. If you have been following Scots hockey for this season, we played the Spartans earlier this year and had lost 3-1. So our guys are pretty hungry to tackle this rivalry game again. We're going to get started with our lineups here.
St. Paul Academy and Summit School. Tonight's boys varsity home game between the Highland Park Central Scots and your SPA Spartans. Before we introduce the teams, please note that the Minnesota State High School League, the RIAC Conference, and SPA are fully committed to sportsmanship and expect all participants to be treated with respect. Student athletes, coaches, and fans are encouraged to reinforce these ideas throughout today's contest. At this time, let's introduce the starters for the Scots hockey team.
All right, introducing our starters tonight.
Junior
Junior Emery Batt, number 30. At defense, junior number 16, Gavin Olson. Senior number 54, Isaac Johnson. Will Bittens, number 8. Senior number 41, Leo Kirsch. Senior number 4, Tommy Rust. Introducing the Spartans. Number 1, Brody Manning will be in net. Number 10, Miles Corman. Henry Salomon, number 18, will be his defensive partner. Louis Berthium, number 17. Max George, number 25. Alex Stako, number 8. All right, we'll just have a minute for our national anthem. I wonder, can we bend this one down a little? Does it do that? Does that work? Is that good? Okay. All right, let's get started. We got some tight quarters here for our recording tonight, so I'll try not to stay in the picture frame too much for you guys, but it's a little tricky to see the ice and stand back at the same time, so I'll do my best. All right, we've got Tommy Rust here facing off against number 8, Alex Stako. Spartans get the zone. Johnson picks it up, passes it up to Bittens. Bittens carries it out of the zone. He's going to go in for a rush. He pushes it up by the top of the dot for the circle. Tommy Rust gets a shot. He scores immediately. Holy cow. Wow. Just like that. First shot of the game. We'll take it. All right, let's do it again. Tommy Rust faces off. Spartans get their hands on it. Johnson picks it up. He loses his wheels. He's still able to maintain somewhat control here. He pushes it back to the corner. Spartans throw it out front, but there's nobody home. Bittens on the boards, pick it up. Johnson carries it behind the net, ends up in the defender's hands. Their shot is blocked by Bittens, picked up by Olsen, and dumped back in. Johnson takes control in the corner. Spartans respond. Scott's trying to figure out a breakout here. We're struggling a little bit to get out of the zone. Shot attempt is wide. Spartans shot saved. Johnson grabs it. He's going to throw it out of the zone, and they're going to get a new group out there. Spartans are working through the neutral zone. They take a shot on net. It is saved. Warner banks up the boards, gets it out of the zone, but we aren't able to maintain control. We're going to have to break out again. Warner to Carvinen to Wallace. Wallace is going to push it up to Warner. Warner's going to carry it into the zone. He goes back to the corner. Wallace battling behind the net. Scots lose control. Spartans are going to go for the breakout, but Carvinen holds the zone. Scots are going to have to tag up here. Johnson gets a piece of it. He's looking for his pass. Pass attempt to Tilson his stick was lifted, but we still get the zone. We're going to have to go on the chase, though. Olsen's able to hold it. Ends up back in the corner. Bradford goes on the chase. He's out there with Ship and Tilson. Scots loses zone. Johnson picks it up and neutralized. He's going in for the rush. He takes a shot. It is saved just wide. Second shot saved. Third shot saved. Spartans choose to clear the zone. They're going to get they waved off icing. Interesting. Olsen picks it up. He pushes it up to Kirsch. Kirsch gives it to Rust, who was at the blue line but wasn't able to get the zone. So we got to go on a little chase here. Spartans pick it up. They're going in on the rush. Johnson makes the hit. And Spartans able to still get it to the net, though, and they score. Shoot. I'm excited to get your photos. Yeah. Scots win the draw. Olsen dumps it in, and we're going to go and chase here. Spartans attempting to break out. Puck ends up on Kirsch's stick. He intercepts it, but Spartans pick it up again. They're going to go in on a 2-on-2. Johnson blocks the shot, and it ends up out of play. Current score is 1-1. We've got 13 minutes to go in the first. Ian Wallace takes the draw. He's out with Warner and Charlie Rust. Shot on net is saved. Johnson picks it up behind the net. He's going to carry it. He attempts to pass, but it gets blocked, but he is able to get zone entry. Wallace is there to support. Battling in the corner. Charlie Rust comes in and helps. Puck ends up on net. Pushing it back to the point. Shot is blocked, but Rust almost got his tape on it. Puck end up in front of the net. Oh, it's loose and nobody is there in the slot. Spartans pick it up and they're going to go in on their own rush, 2-on-2. Johnson tries to make the block, and oh my gosh. Scots didn't get full control over that defensive play, and Spartans took a shot and it deflected off of looks like a skate or something, and ended up in the upper corner. Scots now down 2-1, and we're only at 12 minutes, 15 seconds to go in the first period. Spartans win the draw, and they are able to get zone entry real quick, but we are able to get control back. Tilson turns the table. He's thrown in the zone. Just was a little shy of the red line, so we're getting an icing call here on the Scots. Russ takes the face off. He pushes it to McMullen. McMullen dumps it around to Kirsch. Kirsch tries to pick it up. Spartans defender's right there to tie him up, but he's able to get it up to Rust. Rust has got Bittens open. Take the pass. Oh, he takes the shot, and Bittens couldn't get his stick on the rebound. McMullen keeps it in the zone. Carvinen goes in deep. He's got Leo Kirsch covering for him. Lob in the slot. Oh, Carvinen couldn't get his hands on it. That would have been a perfect open net there. Spartans attempt to break out, and they are going to put the puck out of play. So Scots are going to get. I'm thinking we've got a neutral zone face-off here, but maybe not. Oh no, they're going all the way down with this. Okay. All right, Scots are going to get an offensive zone face-off here. We got Wallace at the dot with Charlie Rust and Warner and Carvinen and McMullen out on the ice right now. Scott's not able to hold the zone. We got one guy on. Oh, they're going to get an icing call here. That was a close one. They almost beat us to the puck. We're going to try that one again. Wallace at the dot. Spartans win the drop. We're not able to hold the zone. We got a little chip past Carvin in here, but he's still on the defense, battling for the puck. It ends up at the point for the Spartans, and they shoot it towards the net. Carvin and blocks it with a skate. Spartans currently work in the corner. They take a shot. It is blocked or saved by Bat. Puck gets pushed out of the zone, and we're getting an icing call here on the Scots. Scots are going to take a chance to get some new skaters out on the ice. Looks like we've got Bradford, Ship, and Tilson out with Johnson and Olson for this shift. Ship takes the draw. Puck ends up in Spartans' hand. Their shot is saved by Bat. Olson banks it up to Bradford. Bradford pushes it over to Tilson. The pass was a little behind him, so he struggled to get it, but we still get zone entry. Nice work by Tilson. Scott's not controlling it, though. Both teams battling on the boards. Scott's not able to hold the zone. Olson throws it back in. We're going to have to tag up and then go back in on the chase. Johnson attempts to poke check it through three guys there, and he didn't have a ton of success. Knocked him out the play a little bit, but all right, Scott's in Gretzky's office just figuring out where they want to go with this pass. Olson throws it up, and it ends up on net, so we're not going to get an icing call, but Spartans pick it up quickly. Spartans are getting an icing call. Russ takes the face off. Ends up back in the corner. Leo picks it up, pushes it towards Russ. Spartans are there to respond. We're not able to maintain control. Bitten's battling in the corner. Scott's not able to maintain, and they're able to bank it out. Our defense responds. Johnson picks it up. He's getting held, and they're not going to call this. Wow. Johnson to take it again behind the net. He does a D-to-D pass back to Olson. Olson's looking for a chance. He throws it up to Bittens in neutral ice. Bittens is going to dump it and chase. Scots are going to get some fresh legs on the ice. Wallace poke checks it away. Scott's trying to hold the zone. They don't have success. Carvin grabs it, though, and he's going to take it. He had a little chance, had a little opening. He's going to get it in the zone. Pushes it to McMullen, who takes a shot, which is blocked. Carvin pushes it to McMullen. McMullen goes in on a pinch. And we're going to get a no ice here. It looks like Warner touched the puck when it was in the air. Puck ends up on Wallace's stick, and he's going in on a one-on-one. Oh, his attempted shot hit a skate. Nice try. He tried to fake it. Shot is saved from the Spartans. Johnson goes in. Goes through a couple guys behind the net. McMullen picks it up. He steals it away. He's taking it out of the zone. He's got Rust with him. He tries to do an escape play. He blows a tire. Spartans pick it up. Now we're in a regroup breakout neutral ice. Scots have the zone, but there's a lot of back and forth here on the boards. We haven't had good control in our offensive zone yet. And Johnson's battling with the kid on the boards. He's able to push it up. Oh, Leo Kirsch takes a pretty big hit. He keeps progressing. Olsen ends up pushing it up to Johnson. Johnson goes in. Oh, and the referee is in the way. Oh, my gosh. Scott's battling in the corner. Tied up. Tilson goes in with support. Ship comes out with it. He pushes it towards net, but we don't really get a good shot off. He pushes in the slot and ends up on Bradford's stick. Olsen takes a nice clapper. And Spartans decide they're going to ice it. They got scared. All right, we got 5 minutes, 45 seconds to go in this first period. The score is currently 2-1 Spartans' favor. Shots on goal, 8 Spartans, 5 for the Scots. Spartans win the draw, and they go for a breakout, and they end up with a breakaway. Oh, nice! Back check by Sean McMullen, and he was able to poke check the puck away. And now what do we got going on? Who's getting that penalty? Yep, Ian Wallace with a slash. Dang it. We got Rust at the dot, our first PK of the game. Rust, Olsen, Johnson, and Kirsch are on the ice. Spartans win the draw. Puck ends up at the point. Shot is blocked. Olsen able to ring it around the boards and is able to get it out of the zone and dumped deep. Rust puts a little pressure on. Spartans fly through our forwards. Rust, nice play. Oh my gosh. Oh. Whew. Scott's got lucky there. We're going to get another penalty on the Scots. Looks like we got Rust going to the box for tripping. Scott's got to get it under control.
Keep your head, boys. Come on.
Johnson's taking the face off. Right now we've got 1 minute, 20 seconds to go in the first penalty still. Scots are currently on a 3-on-5 here. Johnson tries to get control in the corner. Sarton's able to pick it up. They take the shot on the outside. It is saved. They lose the zone, thank goodness. Got 1 minute to go in that first penalty. Kirsch decides to get a switch. Bradford able to dump it. Olsen dumps it. 40 seconds to go in the first penalty. 1 minute, 15 seconds to go in the second. Nice pressure by Bradford on the boards. Shot is blocked by Bradford. Nice. 19 seconds to go. Shot is blocked by Bradford again and ends up in the netting. Nice job, Bradford! All right, 13 seconds to go in this first penalty. 50 to go in the second. Johnson takes the face-off. He's able to oh, nope, ends up in Spartan's hands, unfortunately. They're working the outside. Johnson pushing him out. Nice save. 2 seconds. Shot is saved. Scott's back to 4 players. 30 seconds to go in the existing penalty. Shot is blocked by Johnson. Ends up on Bradford's stick. He's able to get it out of the zone. Johnson's going to go after it. Oh, he's not able to get it. He better get back there. Spartans go in. Nice pressure by Bradford. Picked up by Bittens. He dumps it. 10 seconds to go in this penalty kill. Bradford puts it on net. And Scots are back to full strength. Whew, that was a kill. Now we got to stay out of our heads and make smart plays here and stay out of the box. All right. Both teams battling on the boards here in neutral ice. It ends up in Olsen's hands. Olsen's looking for his opportunity. He pushes it up to Wallace. Wallace gets zone entry, pushes it back, does a blind pass to Olsen, and there is a Spartan player right there. Nice poke check by Rust. Keeps it going to the danger zone here. Wallace picks it up. He's going to look for his opportunity. He banks it up the boards. Does not have success in leaving the zone. Spartans pick it up, and they do a fake pass under Olsen's stick, but the puck is deflected off of McMullen's skate and goes out of play, so we're going to do face-off. Scott's going to get some different players on the ice. We got Carvin and Tommy Rust, Kirsch, Bittens, and McMullen. Spartans working behind the net. They have control. They get it in the slot. Shot is just wide. 1 minute, 30 seconds to go in the first period. Scots are getting an icing call. Rust at the dot. He's able to get it back to the corner. McMullen rings it around. Kirsch is there, but not able to defend off the Spartan player. Rust picks it up. He's got Bittens. He's going to go through off the boards. He gives a long pass up to the corner. Not really sure where he was going with that one. Olsen dumps it in. Bittens goes on the chase, battling for control. Charlie Rust puts it on net. Evan Ship taking the face-off. Puck ends up in the corner. It's pushed around net. Spartans pick it up. They attempt to take a shot. It is wide of the net. Ship able to grab it. He's going in the zone. His shot is saved. Johnson picks it up behind the net. He passes it back to Olsen. Olsen throws it up to Warner. Warner can't get his hands on it. Spartans are getting an icing call here. All All right, we got only 1 second to go in this period here. Yep, good call on the Scots. They're going to pull their goalie for this 1 second. Hope to get one shot off. Oh, we weren't able to get it. Shoot. Okay. Recap of the first period. The score is currently 2-1 in favor of the Spartans. Shots on goal, 11 Spartans, 8 Scots. Scots had 2 penalties in that first period. Spartans had 0. We will be back here in a few minutes for our second period. Let's see. I think that's about it. Thank you. All right, welcome back, folks, for our second period. Scott's getting ready to face off. All right, Scott's got to come out a little bit harder this period. They did come off quickly with a goal, but we did let a few in. Tommy Rust, Bittens, and Kirsch at the face-off here. Johnson gets it quick. He dumps it up to Kirsch. Kirsch tries to get hands on it. He's not able to get a full piece of it. Rust gets in the mix. Scott's lose his own. Johnson's going to pick it up. He's looking for his options. He goes through the slot. A little risky. Johnson has it again. He's got Rust. Oh, he banks it to Rust, and we're getting an icing call. Dang it. He was trying to give Tommy some free access to space, but it ended up going a little too far. Spartans come out with the win on that face-off. Puck ends up back in the corner. Johnson pokes it away, but not able to get full control. Rust grabs it. He dumps it out of the zone. Spartans pick it up, but we quickly end up getting control. Johnson banks it back. Ends up in Rust's hands. Shot is deflected off of Olsen and goes high up into the netting. Scott's making a full line change here. Carvin and McMullen coming out with, looks like Charlie Rust, Warner, and Bradford. Or no, Ship, excuse me. Spartans win the draw. Puck ends up back in the corner. They fumble it. They end up having to come out of the zone and regroup here. It's giving Scots a chance to get a healthy breakout. We don't have success. We're going to have to try that again. Carbonin pushes it to Ship. Ship's attempt to bank it out of the zone ends up on Rust's back, so we're going to have to do that over again. Shot on net by the Spartans and ends up getting frozen by Bat. Scots are going to switch up again. This time we've got Bradford, Wallace, Tilson, and Johnson and Olsen on the ice. A little bit of a slow start here for the Scots. Bradford grabs it. He's going to carry it out of the zone. He gets taken down. Wallace intercepts it. Smart play by Wallace. He kept going. He's looking for a chance, looking for somebody in front. He's not finding anybody. Bradford goes in to help. Olsen holds his own, pushes it over to the corner. He finds open space. Tilson's going to try to pick it up. Scots lose his zone. We're going to have to go on the defense here. Johnson grabs it. He banks it off the boards. We're not able to get out of the zone here. Olsen's going to take his try. He attempts to throw it up, but he ends up putting the puck out of play. So we're going to have to get a new face-off here. All right. Bittens, Rust, and Kirsch on the ice with McMullen and Karvinen. Both teams battling for control. Scots work the breakout. Spartans able to protect the zone, and we're going to have to go back to the corner again. Scott's fumbling a little bit. We are able to pick it up. Karvinen grabs it. He gets it out of the danger zone, pushes it up into neutral space. Kirsch able to get the zone, but he wasn't able to maintain control, so Bittens is going to have to go on the chase here. Spartans throw it out. Scott's trying to take advantage of Spartans' change. Bittens throws it in the slot. Ship gets a piece of it. Oh, Kirsch couldn't get a shot off. He pushes it up to the point. Olsen to Johnson. Johnson takes the shot just a little wide. Olsen holds the zone with a nice pinch. Kirsch throws it back to Olsen. Olsen gives it to Johnson. We're going to lose the zone. He didn't quite have the greatest pass off of that one. Puck ends up back in Johnson's hands. He pushes it over to Olsen. We're in a neutral zone breakout here. Olsen loses the puck. Battling for control. Russ goes on the attack. He picks it up. He's got Warner wide open. Oh, a little too far in front of him. Puck hops over Johnson's stick. He goes behind the net. He escapes and gets to Olsen. Olsen pushes it up to Rust. Spartan defender pinches him, but Johnson's able to get it out. He's going in for the chance. He gets hung up here. Nice pass back to Rust. Rust takes the shot. It is saved and goes up into the netting. Wallace takes the draw. Pushes to Bradford. Bradford to Karvinen. Karvinen's shot is blocked. Puck gets lost in the slot, and the Spartans able to dump it out. McMullen goes and picks it up. He gets pinched on the boards, but he's able to come out with it. What do we got here? Spartans are going to the box. All right. Scots going on their first power play of the game. Kirsch, Tilson, Johnson, Olsen, and Rust on the ice right now. Kirsch takes the draw. Spartans win it. Ends up back in the corner. Olsen able to hold it. Spartans get it back in the corner. They're able to dump it. Ends up on Johnson's stick. He pushes it up to Tilson. Tilson not able to hold it in the zone. Johnson's looking for his option. He gives it to Rust. Rust is going to carry it in. He loses it. Olsen picks it up, gives it to Johnson. Johnson's shot fans on the slap shot. Gives it to Johnson. Johnson's shot is blocked. Rust has it. Oh, and they save it. Rust takes the Kirsch takes the face off. Rust picks it up in the corner, gives it to Kirsch. Kirsch pushes it back to Johnson. Johnson goes to Rust. Rust gives it over to Olsen through the slot. Shot is blocked. Spartans pick it up. They choose to dump it deep right on the net. They got 1 minute left to go in this penalty kill. Johnson's looking for his options. He goes through the center slot. He's going to carry it up. He's going in for the shot. He tries to go break free. He pushes it behind the net to Tilson. Tilson fumbles a little bit on the boards. He throws it around the net. Not quite hard enough. Johnson able to get a piece of it. He's got Tilson right in the net, in front of the net. Tilson has it behind the boards. He throws it over to Rust. 24 seconds to go in this penalty or power play. Johnson picks it up. His shot is deflected and goes up in the netting. 18 seconds to go in the power play. I'm guessing Scots are going to get a change up here. Yep. Spartan's able to clear the zone. Tarvinen looking for his options for a pass on a breakout. Puts a long pass up on Warner's stick. Warner's going to take it in. His attempt to get it in the slot was blocked. Bittens has the puck, pushes it in the slot. Nobody home. Russ pushes it back to the defender. Warner. Oh, Warner, it's in the slot. Oh, shot just keeps getting blocked. A little garbage there. Oh, we almost got it. We got, oh my gosh. Oh, Scots. Ooh. Big hit by the Spartans there on McMullen. Tarvinen holds the zone, pushes it back in the corner. Bittens loses the wheel. Spartans able to get the zone. They pass from Olsen, blind pass back to Johnson. There was two Spartan players right there. Luckily, no harm done. Olsen tries to chip it out again, pushes it out of play. That's all right. Scots needed a chance to kind of regroup on their lines, so. Johnson brings it behind the net, pushes it up to the point. Spartans lose the zone. Pozega goes out for the puck on the rush. Johnson battling for control in the corner, pushes it up to Tilson. Tilson goes to Bradford. Bradford's going to take it out of the zone. Pozega, oh, he's going to get offsides. Shoot. Russ at the face-off, neutral zone. Spartans win the draw. They throw it up into the off the boards and get zone entry. Both teams battling for control behind the net. Olsen picks it up. He's able to carry it out. He banks it off. Ends up in Russ' hands. Russ tries to push it over to Kirsch. Spartans intercept it. Russ is going to throw it in the corner. Olsen's slap shot just wide of the net. Johnson's going to be able to dump it deep and hold the zone. Kirsch goes on the chase. Spartans working their breakout. They do have some success. Rust responds. Johnson chips it up to Kirsch. Bittens is going to attempts to get in the zone. Russ picks it up. Oh, we're going to get offsides here on the Scots. Shoot. 7 minutes to go here in the second period. Russ gets the zone. Throws it back. Oh, his attempt to get in the slot is just shy. Now Scott's battling neutral ice for control. Ship picks it up. He goes to the corner. Spartans come out with it. Warner goes in for some support. Spartans get the zone here. We're going to go into the corner. Carvinen picks it up. He's going to bring it around to Warner. Scott's struggling to make their passes here tonight. Tilson goes in for the steal. He's looking for a chance. He takes it. There it is. Oh! Spartans are going to the box. He took Wallace out of the play. It's kind of a bummer because he was right there. All right. Scott's going to this power play. We got 5 minutes, 30 seconds to go in the second period. Score is 2-1 Spartans. Kirsch at the dot. Spartans able to get it back to the corner. They're looking for control. Battling for full possession here. Olsen has it. Kirsch picks it up. He's able to get it to Rust. Rust pushes it to Johnson. Johnson to Olsen. Olsen's going to go to Tilson. Back to Olsen. Come on, guys. Stop playing. Take the shot. Take the shot. Puck ends up in the slot. Ends up kicking back to Tommy Rust. Tommy has it. Ref's in the way. Gives it. Oh, my gosh. Tommy tries to pass it over to Olsen. It ended up deflecting off of a skate and into the goalie. Goalie able to make the save. Scott's putting a new line out here. Russ takes the face off. Banks it up. Johnson not able to hold the zone. He pushes it to McMullen. McMullen finds open space. Smart move. Russ picks it up. He gives it to McMullen. McMullen. Hopefully you're, let's see, get control, buddy. Ends up on Johnson's skates. He's not able to hold it. Spartans pick it up. They go and decide to dump it. They got 45 seconds to go in this power play. Scott's got to do something here. Johnson goes through a guy, throws it up to Warner. Warner gets zone entry. He's got to find his option. Pushes it over to, McMullen. Back to Johnson. Johnson, take that shot. Yes! Johnson scores. Scots tie it up at 4 minutes to go in the second. Nice work, Scots. It's been a while since we've gotten a power play goal. Good job, gentlemen. All right. Spartans back to full strength. Johnson to Olsen. Olsen throws it up in the neutral space. Spartans dump it. Ends up on Johnson's stick. He's looking for his opportunity. He throws it to Kirsch. Sean McMullen gets that assist on Johnson's goal. Russ does the work, gets it in the zone, pushes it to Kirsch. Kirsch's shot is just shy. Spartans able to take over. They're going to go in on the rush. Shot is wide. Johnson throws it up to Kirsch. Kirsch is battling on the boards for control. Russ picks it up. He throws it at the defender. Spartans lose the zone, but they quickly throw it back into the corner. Puck ends up loose right at the edge. Oh, Johnson better get back. There we go, Olsen. Olsen able to push it up further in neutral space. Johnson grabs it. He's going to give it to, Bradford had to go to the puck. He was waiting for it to come to him, unfortunately. Johnson has to look for a new breakout option here. Olsen takes over control. He banks it up to Kirsch. Kirsch is able to dump it in. Tilson goes on the chase to the corner. Battling for control. Bradford trying to get it. Spartan's able to break free. Johnson banks it up again. He throws it out into neutral space. Spartans are going to regroup. Johnson steals it away. He's going in for his opportunity. He takes a shot. Oh, it hits the pipe. Oh, my gosh. Scots hold the zone. Bradford goes in on the corner, makes a hit. Tilson tries to break up the play. Spartans still have it. Nice poke check by Jacob Pozega. Puck ends up out of play. Spartans win the draw. Puck ends up back in the corner. Rust goes on the chase. Ship working the boards here. Spartans able to exit the zone. Oh, Spartans get a break. They got a 2-on-1 here. Shot is saved and picked up by Carvinen. They're able to get out of the zone. Ship picks it up. Warner there to support. He's going to get zone entry here. He's going back to the corner. Shot in pass to Rust. Just shy of the net on his tip. Spartans able to get the breakout here. They're going in on 2-on-2. Battling for control in the corner. Ship able to get it up to Rust. Rust is going to take the zone. Take the shot, Rust, and he goes in, and goalie is making the save. We got 52 seconds to go in the second period. Score is 2-2. All right, Rust here taking the face off. Scots lose the zone, but they're going to go in with a regroup here, right? Let's see. Spartans able to dump it out. Shoot. Well, they're going to take an icing call. That was kind of a weird little series there. Not really sure what both teams were doing. Scots are going to get an offensive zone face-off here. Russ is taking the draw. Puck ends up back in the corner. It is free. Both teams battling for control. Bittens throws it back in the corner. He's looking for his opportunity here. He's having a hard time breaking free. He sees space, but he's not able to get it up to Olsen. Russ picks it up. Oh, he gets it in the slot. Not able to do anything with it. Johnson's going to hold it, though. He breaks through. Puts it through the slot. Nobody there. Olsen throws it on net. Oh, meaty rebound thrown up there. No one there to make the shot. Well, anyways, folks, we got a 2-2 game here. Shots on goal. 14 for the Spartans, and the Scots sneak through with a 17 shot total for the end of the second period. So we'll see you back here for a good battle. Got it? All right, welcome back, folks, for the third period. The Scots are currently tied with the St. Paul Academy Spartans. Scots woke up a little bit there in the second half, the second period, and both Tommy Rust and Isaac Johnson have scored for tonight's goals. Let's see if we can get another one in net. All right, Rust, Bittens, Kirsch, Johnson, Olson out here for this first grouping. Scots win an early draw. Johnson's going to take it up. He's going to go in on the rush. He takes a shot, is saved and frozen. Johnson gets the puck. He's going to take the shot, slips it through. Oh, nice. A tipped attempt by Rust. Scott's going to tip it out of the zone. Scott's able to pick it up, but we aren't able to get good control. So we're kind of doing a little back and forth here. Bittens throws it up, and we're going to get the zone, but we're going to have to go on the chase. Oh, we're going to get a tripping call. That was weak. Dang it. That was the slowest trip I've seen. So Scots are going to go to the box, unfortunately, right here off the bat. Bittens is going for a tripping call. If he would have kept moving his feet, he wouldn't have gotten that call. Scott's going to go on a penalty kill. This will be the third PK of the game. Johnson, Bradford, Olson, and Rust out there for this pairing. Scots win the draw, but ends up in Spartans' hands, and they get the shot, but it is blocked. Puck ends up back up at the point. Blocked by Rust. Rust able to clear this or get the puck out of the zone, but not able to fully clear it. Johnson tries to clear, goes off the face mask of the Spartans player. We're going to take that and just, Johnson did a little pass by Rust. Johnson's going to carry it in. He's taking it back out. He changes his mind. Scott's having a little bit of a communication mishap here between Rust and Johnson. Olson takes this opportunity to get rid of the puck. He's going to throw it all the way down. We got 1 minute to go, or 1 minute, 5 seconds to go in this penalty kill. Puck comes up back in the corner on Johnson's stick. He pushes it over to Olson. Olson's going to clear it again. Our Scots forwards are playing a little conservative here. They push it in the slot. Shaved by Bat. That was a nice shot by the Spartans. Nice save by Emery Bat. 30 seconds to go in this PK. Johnson rings it around, ends up on the defender's stick. Spartans controlling it behind the net. They're working the outside. Their shot is blocked. Bradford's going to dump it. Nice. He throws it on net. Rust is going to go out on a pretty Intense chase there. Spartans are going to take the shot, and Scots are going to make the easy save. 9 seconds to go in this PK. Spartans get the puck. Shot is blocked off of Olsen's skate. He's able to get it up to Kirsch. Kirsch able to keep pushing it forward. Scott's not able to clear the zone, however. Puck ends up bouncing off of Johnson. Goes to Rust. Rust pushes it back to Olsen. We got people flying high. Johnson picks up. He's able to get through. Get through the other guy. Oh my gosh. Shot is saved and nobody there for the rebound. Chip pushes it to Johnson. Johnson tries to push it through the crowd, not sure why. And he picks it up again. Keeps poke checking it away. This ends up on bad stick. Johnson and Olsen do a quality defensive management there, supporting each other. Puck ends up in our offensive zone here. Spartans take over control. Warner battling in the corner for it. McMullen able to keep it in. Spartans chip it out. They got two guys coming on hard. Carvin in the corner. Carvin banks it over to McMullen. McMullen's got Warner. Push. Oh, the pass is about a stick length in front of Warner. So we're going to get a icing call here on the Scots. Both teams battle in the corner. Scott's able to push it to the other side. McMullen tries to chip it. Spartans working to take control on the corner. We've got Tilson down on the ice here, getting jabbed with a few sticks. Spartans come out with it. They take the shot. It is wide. Pozega picks it up. Bank passes it back. Throws it behind the net. Spartans able to hold the zone. Puck ends up back in the corner. Carvinen's looking for his option. He pushes it back. Gives it to McMullen on the other side. He gives it to the Spartans player who throws it on net. Scott's struggling here for control. Making some mistakes. Breakout pass up to Tilson, about a stick length wide. We're going to get an icing call. It's probably okay. I think these guys are tired and need a break. All right. Tommy Rust at the faceoff dot in our defensive zone. Kirsch, Olsen, Johnson, and Bitten's out there. Oh, no. Leo Kirsch had to take the draw. Shot is saved. Shot is saved again. Johnson able to throw it out to the point. They're able to save it. Nice save. Jesus, Spartans just peppering our goalie. Scott's really struggling to move the puck out. Olsen taking a chance to collect himself before he makes his pass. Gives it up to Bittens. Bittens dumps it in. They're going to go on a chase here. Bittens picks it up, wraps it around. There's a meaty rebound out there, but the Spartans grab it. Johnson throws it over to Olsen. Olsen puts it on net. Scott's trying to put some pressure on here in our offensive zone. Olsen's going to take it in. Nice deke by Olsen. Johnson grabs it. It is wide. Puck is banked. Olsen to Ship. Ship is going to carry it into the zone. He takes a shot. It is saved. And that goalie is going to make the freeze, and we're going to get another face-off. Ship takes the draw. Spartan's able to come out with the puck. They're able to get it out of the zone, and they're able to dump it in. Carvinen goes and collects it. Ends up, in Ship's hands. Nice pickup by Ship. Pushes it up to Rust. Rust dumps it in. Warner there to collect it. Spartan's able to turn it over. Nice pick by Carvinen. Pushes it to Warner. Warner's got Carvinen with him in the slot. Spartan's goalie is going to hold on to that one. All right. We got Wallace on the face-off here. Spartans come out on the draw. They're able to chip it away. Johnson's able to collect it. He loses it in the corner, picks it up again. Battling for it with Tilson. Ends up at the point. Wallace pokes it away. He's going on the breakaway. Come on, Wallace. He's going to do an escape. He tries to... Oh, dang it. He lost a wheel. Blew a tire out right there. Johnson holds his own, puts it towards the net. He loses his footing. Olsen trying to hold his own here. He holds his ground. But Spartan's got a guy flying high. They're not able to capitalize on that. Johnson's able to keep it in. A lot of bouncing around here with this puck. Olsen working behind the net. He pushes it up. He gets it up to Rust. Rust not able to get a full grasp on the puck, and we end up going the other direction. Let's try that one more time. Johnson pushes it up to Bittens. Bittens has it in his skates. He pushes it up to Rust. Rust looking for his option. He's got Kirsch. The puck is blocked by number 10 and ends up in the netting. We're going to get a face-off here in our offensive zone. Tommy Rust taking the draw. We got 8 minutes to go in the third. Puck ends up back in the corner. Spartans throw it up to the point. They're able to carry it out of the zone. They're running through neutral ice right now. Squeaking past our wing, but not able to get past the defense. 2 blocked shots by McMullen. Ends up a shot on net to bat right in his helmet. Spartans lose the zone. Rust finds Carvinen. Bittens is going to take the opportunity to get a switch. Kirsch goes on the chase, looking for his option. Gets in the slot. Ship right there. Oh, nice shot by Ship. Carvin dumps it in. Spartan's able to pick it up, though. And they're going again against Johnson, and Johnson able to make the block, and the puck goes out of play. Ship takes a draw. Scots come out with it. Nice pressure by Rust. He's got Warner right there with him. Warner's going to go in. Looking for that option. Gives it to Rust. Oh, the shot is blocked and turns over right away. Spartans go in the opposite direction. They try to sneak past Olsen. No dice. Ship picks it up in the slot. He's going to carry it out of the zone. Spartans have a couple mishaps, and they end up back in the corner. Warner putting pressure. Wallace putting a little pressure on. And he's there for support. Throws a blind backhand, and the Spartans get the goal. Well, unfortunately, the Scots did a blind backhanded pass, threw it right into the Spartans' hands, and Spartans able to get a full access to our net. Spartans up 3-2. We got to watch those blind passes. Both teams battle in the corner. Spartans' attempted shot is intercepted by Kirsch. Russ picks it up. He's going in on the rush. He's able to get around. Not able to get all the way to the net, though. Looking for his option. Gives it to Kirsch. Kirsch's shot is saved. Throws it on net again. And Spartans goalie is going to freeze that puck. 5 minutes, 52 seconds to go in the third period. Shots on goal, 27 for the Scots, 21 for the Spartans. Rust on the faceoff. Spartans win the draw. Nice hold by McMullen. He's able to pick that puck off with his glove. But not able to hold the zone. We got 2-on-1 Spartans. Back check by Bittens. Shot is saved. McMullen picks it up, throws it up to Kirsch. Kirsch has got, he had McMullen with him, but we kind of had a weird angle with the puck deflection. Russ picks it up, throws it up to Karvinen. Karvinen's going to take the shot. It was a little wide. Kirsch loses the puck. Shoot. Ship able to get the zone. He's in all by himself. Spartans able to turn it over. Their shot is saved by Bat. Spartans' shot is deflected. Johnson picks it up in the corner, pushes it to Olsen. The puck ends up back in Johnson's hand. Johnson rings it around. Rust has it. He's got a guy flying high. Warner picks it up, pushes it over to Ship. Come on, Ship. Oh, not able to get that shot. He's got Johnson open at the point. Spartans pick it off. We've got a 2-on-1. Johnson defending, and they are going to get an offsides call. We'll take it. Come on. That's my kid. I got to cheer mine a little bit. All right, let's go, Rust. All right, McMullen has it. Pushes it up to Johnson. Johnson's playing forward for a second. Kirsch has it. He's got Johnson flying high on the far side. Johnson's going to take it. He tries to get the zone. Spartans turn it over. Scott's trying to throw the Spartans for a loop by putting Johnson up at wing. Johnson has it on the boards, pushes it to Rust. Rust got to get it up to Kirsch. Kirsch has got Johnson. Come on, Kirsch. Oh, Johnson gets taken down in front of the net. Puck ends up in the netting. Woo! I don't know. They kind of clotheslined Johnson. I could have given them a penalty, but. Oh, come on. All right. We're going to get a timeout here for the Scots. All right, here we go, folks. We got 3 minutes, 26 seconds to go in this game. Scots needing to get a goal to tie it up. I can imagine that they are planning their goalie removal here to get a sixth man on the ice if they don't score. Johnson has it, ends up back in the corner. Spartans pick it up, and they're going to go into the zone. Johnson battling in the corner here. He pushes it back to McMullen. McMullen gives it to Rust. Olsen has it. Pushes it to McMullen. McMullen over to Johnson. It is waffling. Johnson's going to go in. He pushes in front of the net. It's still there. Come on, Johnson. Gives it back to McMullen. McMullen's shot is saved. Johnson pushes it through the slot. Nobody home. Spartans pick it up. They're going to put a shot on net. No. Oh, my gosh. Bad, let it go. Olsen throws it up. Bittens has it. He's going to get zone entry. He's going to the corner looking for somebody. Somebody to help. Gets it on Carvenen's stick. Carvenen, take the shot. Oh, buddy. Oh, man. Nice back check by Rust. Nice back check by Rust. That freezes it. Nice back check, Rust. All right, Scots have 2 minutes, 5 seconds to make this goal. Spartans win the draw. Bad is going to freeze it. That's all right. We're going to take these freezes here. We need our Scots to get a little rest. Bad takes the draw again. Puck gets up on Warner's stick. We got a 2-on-2 here, folks. Warner gets the zone, pushes it to Rust. Oh, the Spartans turn it. Oh, but Olsen holds the zone. He throws it to the net, and it is saved. Carvenen picks it up. He banks it up to Warner. Warner still has control. Throws it over to Olsen. Olsen's shot is... Oh! Goes off a Bitten's stick. Ends up going down. We're going to get a offsides call here. Scots working hard. 1 minute, 32 seconds to go in the game. Those just tuning in, the score is 3-2. Olsen throws it in deep. Kirsch goes on the chase. Scots lose the zone. They got 2 on. Olsen throws it around, rings it up the boards. All right. We're going to get a face-off here in our defensive zone. Not my first choice, but we'll take the rest break here. Rust at the dot. Johnson picks it up. He's going to go on the rush. He needs to get his speed. Get through the guy. Nice play, Johnson. Oh, and shot and is saved by, I think it's Manning is his name. Puck ends up in the slot again. They're going to dump it. Oh, shit. Excuse my language. No. They score. Open net. Oh, man. Not what the Scots wanted. Man. Score is 4-2. Well, there's 51 seconds to go in the game. Cool things can happen. Yep. All right. D-to-D pass here. We got Johnson wide. Rust picks it up. Oh, we aren't able to get control. Spartans trying to. They throw it out of play. 36 seconds to go in the game. Who are we getting a slashing call on? On the Spartans. So Spartans are going to the box. Might well. Yep. All right, Scots are pulling their goalie again. We're going to get a 6-on-4 here, folks, in our offensive zone. Pushes it back to Bittens. No, Johnson grabs it. He's going to go. Johnson mishandles it a little bit. Throws it up to Tilson. Tilson to, oh, no. Puck ends up out of play. Bittens tried to get a piece of it. I think it got deflected. We're going to take this face off again. 20 seconds to go. Kirsch throws it on net, ends up. Oh, Scott score. All right. Kirsch gets it. Let's go, Scots. 4-3. All right. 14 seconds. I'm pretty sure if you guys remember last year, we played right here at SPA, and our Scots scored with like 1 second to go in the game to win it. Puck ends up getting in the scramble. Kirsch picks it up. He dumps it. We got 5 seconds. 5 seconds, Scots. You got to get the shot. Oh, we're not going to get it. Spartans are going to win. Oh, what a battle, folks. The game ended up in the Spartans' favor, 4-3. Shots on goal, 31 Scots, 27 Spartans. I hope you guys can join us back here on Thursday night. We will be taking on Two Rivers. It'll also be an away game at 7 o'clock. Talk to you later.